We are at the converted munitions facility, which is highly coveted by many players for its ability to passively produce ammunition while you're away and doing other things at absolutely no cost of materials. We've put missile turrets and heavy machine gun turrets up in places like this. We've also made a point to put punji boards in and around the turrets on the roof, because the mole rats can end up on the roof and start attacking them. So fuck the mole rats. We've put workstations and cooking stations to try and be nice to other players who may just be stopping by literally to scrap stuff or be in desperate need of being able to cook something. All of the hallways have been filled with punji board spikes and closed off with multiple layers of bookshelves and stash boxes, so people have to really break through everything to have any chance of getting at it. We've put bookshelves that are turned around, as well as punji board spikes in front of the computer console, because you cannot lock it. And when people realize you've locked the munition production machine, they like to get some petty revenge sometimes by just simply changing which type of ammo the machine is producing, even if they can't get into it. Everything, everywhere in this entire facility is very closed off. The generator goes up here, facing this direction. This keeps it out of the way of enemies. And these upper floors are entirely useless, so we have filled them, all in all, with punji board spikes from top to bottom. We've also put them up there. That's the converted munitions facility.